Hello everyone. Last class we had discussed about the some related problem. First one is numbers related problem, two digit related problems, and next one is age related problem. In this session we will discuss that is word problem. So which type? So geometrical related questions. So let us see how to find out the x and y variable in a pair of a linear equation and how to apply in a geometrical figure. Let us discuss. First one question is given here in a triangle ABC. Angle A equal to x degree is given, and angle B equal to 3x minus 2 degree is given, and C angle equal to y degree is given. So what condition is given? Angle C minus angle B equal to 90 degree. Then you have to find out the angle ABC equal to how much. So this is the second question. The larger number of the two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree, then you have to find the angles. So first in this session we will discuss first one problem. After that we will discuss the second one problem. So let us see first one. First you have to read the question carefully, what they given, what you have to find out. So how to find or how to form a pair of a linear equation, this problem into the pair of a linear equation in two variable. So let us discuss. So first one is here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, for example, you have to take here. This is the answer, or you have to write here solution. So this is the figure, rough figure. This is the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Angle A equal to how much given? Angle A equal to x degree given. And angle B equal to, angle B is given 3x minus 2 degree. Angle B is 3x minus 2 degree given. C equal to given y degree. C is given y degree. So second one condition is given angle C minus angle B is 90 degree. Find angle ABC. First you have to see the figure. Angle ABC, angle A is given x degree, angle B is given 3x minus 2 degree, angle C is given y degree. So let us know first angle A, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Reason you have to write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Reason you have to write in bracket angle some property of triangle. Short form I write here. Oh, angle some property of triangle, or you can write full in detail. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. You can write here angle some property of triangle equal to always 180 degree. Instead of triangle, they will give the quadrilateral or any quadrilateral, or they will give the cyclic quadrilateral. So that time you have to take cyclic quadrilateral given means opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So here triangle is given. That's why take angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Reason you have to write compulsory. Why they are equal to 180 degree? Suppose the quadrilateral is given means angle of suppose angle of some property of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here triangle is given. That's why 180. Angle of some property of triangle is 180 degree. Now we have to substitute angle A. Angle A equal to how much degree? X degree plus angle B is given 3x minus 2 degree plus C is given y degree equal to 180 degree. Next step, x plus 3x. Total is how much? X plus 3x, that is 4x plus 5 equal to 180 minus 2 means it become plus 2. Next one step, 4x plus y equal to 182. This is equation number 1. Because first one term is x term, next one is y term, last one is constant term. So it is in the form of a pair of a linear equation in two variable. That's why I have to write it with this equation number 1. That is 4x plus y equal to 182 degree. Next one condition is given here. Next one condition you can see as angle C minus angle B equal to 90 degree. Given angle C and angle B equal to 90 degree. Reason you can write here. This is given. Angle C minus angle B equal to 90 degree given. But angle C is how much here? Y. So you have to substitute here y minus angle B. Angle B is 3x minus 2. Substitute. Minus is given means always you have to write in bracket, because suppose you have to simplify the bracket means the value will changes or sign will changes with respect to the number or variable. So that's why I have to write in bracket. So C means that is y degree minus B as it is angle B equal to here given 3x minus 2. So you have to write here 3x minus 2 equal to 90 degree. Next you have to simplify the bracket means we will get minus into plus minus 3x minus into minus plus 2 equal to 90 degree. Next you have to write general form of a pair of a linear equation in two variable. So it becomes that is minus 3x plus y equal to 90 plus 2 means it become minus 2. So next one step you simplify means we get minus 3x plus y 90 minus 2 that is 88. This one is 88. This is equation number. Because so this is you can see here equation number 2 that is x term y term next constant term. So it is in the form of a pair of a linear equation in two variable. That's why you can give the that is equation number 2, because this one is equation number that is equation number 2. Now we can compare. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2. Suppose you have to compare the equation 1 and 2. This is equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Now you can compare means you can use here elimination method means we will find the x and y value. Let us see here. This one is 4x plus y equal to 182. First one the equation you write here. Second one the equation is that is minus 3x plus y equal to 88. Next, suppose you have to eliminate means first you have to check out the coefficient of x is same or not. Here coefficient of x is 3, here minus 3, here coefficient of x is 4. So you don't eliminate the extra. Next one is y term. Y coefficient is 1, this is also y coefficient is 1. So you can here eliminate the y term because the coefficient of y and y in equation number 1 and 2 are same. So that's why I have to just change the sign and eliminate the y term. So here minus means you can write here plus, plus means minus, this is minus. So minus y plus y get cancelled. Next 4x plus 3x that is 7x equal to 2 minus 8. So 2 is less than the 8. That's why I take carry here 12. 12 minus 8 that is 4. Here remainder is 7. 7 minus 8 comparing to 7 and 8. 8 is greater. That's what I take carry here. That is 17. 17 minus 8 is that is 19. So next one is x equal to 94 into 7 means it becomes divided by 7. Next you have to simplify means we will get 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones. So x equal to 12 degree. X value is 12 degree. Next you have to substitute x value in equation number 1 or 2 means we will get the y value. Let us see. I am writing here x and y value. So put x equal to 12 degree in equation number 1 or you can substitute in equation number 2. So I am substituting in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 4x plus y equal to 182. X value I have to substitute here 4 into x value is 12 plus y equal to 182. 12 fours are 4 12s are 48 plus y equal to 182. So y equal to 182 plus means it become minus 48. Y equal to take carry 12 minus 8 is 4. Here remainder is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. this is 1. So angle y equal to 134 degree. Angle y equal to 134 degree. Angle x equal to, this is 12 degree. Next you require the angle z. So angle z means you have to substitute. Put x equal to 12 degree, y equal to 134 degree in equation number, or you can write here this one, x 3x minus 2, that is y. So you can write this one equation number. This is equation number. For example, you can write here yes. Equation number yes, or you can write this is, or you can use angle sum property of a triangle. That one is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle A is how much degree? That is x. X equal to how much? 12 degree. Angle B that is C. Angle C is, that is B we can write as it is plus C. C means y. So here y is given already 134 equal to 180 degree. So last angle B equal to 180 plus 34 means minus 34, 134, this is minus 12. Plus 12 means it becomes minus 12 degree. So angle B equal to 180 minus 134 minus 12. It becomes minus 146. Minus 146. So angle B equal to, take carry, 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 6 is 4. Next here 7 minus 4 is 3. This is 0. So B is 34, C is 134, and that is x is 12 degree. Suppose you have to substitute A, B, C means you will get 180 degree. So check out here. A is how much degree? That is A is x. X is 12 degree. Next y is how much degree? 134. This is 134. And Z, B is how much you got here? 34 degree. So you can write here. Add means you will get the 180 degree because angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 3 6. 6 7. This one is 8. This is 8. 1. So that is 180. So this type of problem, or you can apply the pair of linear equation into geometrical figure. This is the basic problem I solved here. First, whatever given, first you have to write the given data. Next, you have to write you have to use the property of triangle and property of quadrilateral. Given means you have to use the property of quadrilateral. Next, you have to construct, or you have to form a pair of linear equation into one variable. Next, according to the second condition, you have to write. Next, you have to compare equation 1 and 2. We will get any one variable value, that is x, or that may be y. Next, you have to substitute in equation 1 and 2 means 1 and 2 means we get the remaining variable, that is y. Next, you have to substitute the x and y value and given condition, that is A, B, C equal to 180 degree. So 180 is angle sum property of triangle. That's why A is got already, C also got the value. B is want to find out. Suppose you have to transpose this type means we will get the B also 134. Next, this is a verification. How to verify your answer is right or wrong. So just you have to substitute in this equation means you will get the 180 degree. So this is angle sum property of a triangle. So next one we will see. Next one problem is I consider here. I will love this one because you will get the confusion. So second one problem we will see. That is also basic. Second one is given. First you have to read the question carefully what they given and how to form a pair of a linear equation in two variable. This is also geometrical related problem only. So here given the larger of a two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Find the angles. So here this is the word supplementary and complementary. So supplementary means angle of sum of two angle equal to 180 degree. Complementary is given means sum of angle of a two, or you can write angle two angles sum equal to 180 degree, that is supplementary. So So two angle sum equal to 90 means that is a complementary. So here given the larger of a two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. So you have to find the angles. So what are those angles you have to find out according to this condition? First you have to take one is the smaller angle, one is the larger angle. So first you have to write here. This is the solution or answer. Let the smaller angle of let the smaller angle of supplementary be the x degree. Smaller angle of a supplementary is x degree. Next one condition you have to take. Let the larger angle of supplementary equal to y degree. Larger angle is y degree and smaller angle I consider here and that is x degree, or you can indicate that here x is small, so you can write here y is greater than the x. So here smaller angle is x degree and larger angle is y degree. So you can write y is greater than the x. So now we can form the given problem into pair of a linear equation in two variable. So that is, let us see how to construct the pair of a linear equation to this problem. First one is the larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18. Which is the larger here? Y is the larger. According to the first condition you have to write, so first you have to write the systematically. In exam also, may again having to write the systematic. First you have to write the word that what they given, so you have to take. Next you have to write the according to the first condition and second condition. Next you have to solve. First one you have to write here. According to the first condition, so don't write the direct, because there is a chances to reduce the marks in exam. That's why I have to write systematic manner. So according to the first condition is given here. The larger of a two supplementary angle exceed. Larger angle is y degree. This is y. This y degree or larger angle is comparing to the smaller and larger means here given the larger of a two supplementary angle exceed. Exceed means plus. How much plus? That is 18. X plus 18. So you can write here. This is x plus 18. So comparing to the smaller and larger means smaller angle is exceed by the 18 degree. So larger angle is this. Smaller angle is x plus 18. Exceed means you can take here plus. Okay. So first one is given. This is the first condition. According to the first condition you can write. Next one is according to the second one condition. This is second condition. According to the second condition. So this is spelling. Check out once again, or you can write once again neatly. That is according to second condition. Okay. Now I think you will visible clearly. According to the second condition. So what is the property of supplementary angle? Before I explain. So that is sum of two angle equal to 180 degree. That's why I take second condition is that suppose complementary is given with sum of two angle equal to 90 degree. So you can take here x plus y equal to 180 degree. Reason sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So this is the equation number 2. This one is equation number 2. Now just you have to find out the x and y value by substitution method, means you will get x or y value. So y equal to already given here x plus 80. So that's what we take. Put y equal to put y equal to how much? X plus 18 given here. X plus 18 in equation number 2. Y equal to x plus 18 in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is that is x plus y equal to 180 degree. So x keep as it is, y value is this whole value outside, that is x plus 18 equal to 180. Next one is x plus x, 2x plus 18 equal to 180 degree. Keep as it is. Next 2x equal to 180 minus 18. 180 as it is. This is plus means it become minus 18. So 2x equal to 180 minus 18. Take carry here. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. This is 1. So 162. X equal to 162 degree divided by 2. Next step. X equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 ones are. X value is 81 degree. 2 ones are 2 8s are, this is 2 ones are 81. So x value, that is the smaller angle of a supplementary angle, is 81 degree. Next one you have to write or you have to find out. Put x equal to 81 degree in equation number 1 in 1 or in equation number 1 you can write here. This is in equation number 1. Next you have to find out the value of a y, means you have to substitute at put x equal to 81 degree in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is here, that is y equal to x plus 18 degree. So equation number 1 you can get here y equal to x plus 18. So y equal to x value is 81 plus 18. Y equal to total is 80 plus 99. This is 19. So comparing x and y, here substitute the y value. This is 99. So y is 18. Y is greater than the smaller value, that is by 18. Or you have to apply here the larger of the two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18. Larger angle is exceed by the 18 to the smaller angle. So you can check out the sum of these two angles